Yeah. Some people invest in stocks. Some people invest in crypto. But the smartest people I know, they invested in a mop, a bucket, and somebody else's dirty house. Now that right there, that's called buckets and bank accounts. Hey. Buckets and bank accounts, that's what the hustle's about. While you sleeping, we cleaning money coming in and out. Buckets and bank accounts, that's what the game about. You see a mess on the floor, I see a house getting bought. Buckets and bank accounts, watch how the money bounce. One little mop in your hand, now you running the town. Buckets and bank accounts, say it loud, say it proud. Turn that cleaning business into generational cloud. Man, I started with a mop and a dream, and a vacuum that sounded like a jet and just screamed. Clearly said, can you clean my whole place? I said, yes ma'am, but depends on how your bathroom behaves. Walked in that kitchen, Lord have mercy. Grease on the stove like it's been living there permanently. Dark everywhere like a carpet convention. I said, Jesus, we gon' need divine intervention. But I cleaned it up, shining bright. Next thing you know, referrals that night. Now the neighbors calling like, can you come too? I say, hold on, I gotta build me a crew. Buckets and bank accounts, that's what the hustle about. While you sleeping, we cleaning money coming in and out. Buckets and bank accounts, that's what the game about. You see a mess on the floor, I see a house getting bought. Buckets and bank accounts, watch how the money bounce. One little mop in your hand, now you running the town. Buckets and bank accounts, say it loud, say it proud. Turn that cleaning business into generational cloud. Yeah. People laughing like cleaning ain't rich, but they ain't seen the invoices yet. Office call text every Friday night. Airbnb's flipping left and right. Property manager called my phone, said, can you clean 30 homes? I said, sure, give me a second. Hung up a high at 11. Now my crew pulling up in vans. Uniform clean, whole team got plans. While I'm at home checking deposits, watching money drop in the pockets. See, some folks working 9 to 5, but cleaning business owners. We got people cleaning while we sleeping. That's not a job. It's A's bucket power business model. Buckets and bank account. Yeah. Buckets and bank account, that's what the hustle about. Started with soap and water, now the money coming out. Buckets and bank accounts, watch how the profit mount. They thought it was just cleaning, now the whole business booming. Buckets and bank accounts, everybody screaming loud. Turn them up into a company and make your mama proud. Buckets and bank accounts, listen, you can laugh at the bucket if you want. That same bucket might be paying somebody's mortgage. And bank accounts, tenacity.